I want to teach you how to write this Bismillah. This particular one, yeah? Now, if you look at this, what you notice here, Seen is stretched, Noon is stretched, but it has something on top. So it's stretched, but you have all the letters on top. Then you have Ya, which is also quite stretched, yeah? So Seen and Ya are the letters that are actually stretched, and they are empty from the top, yeah? They're empty. These are the two letters that are extended and they're empty, okay? But let's go ahead, inshallah, learn Bismillah. First you need to do is you need to make sure your page have lines on it. I can only write one word on each line, so you guys have to do it in one line, but I have to write one word in each line, okay? Starting with Ba, for example. When you write Ba, if you notice, it's slightly bigger than these one line here. So this is 1, 2, 3, yeah? Slightly bigger than 1, and you come back. And then we draw Seen. We're going to write Seen. Okay? How do we write Seen? 1. Look at this, guys. 1, 2, and then 3. So which line here is bent? This one. This one is bent, yeah? And then we have Meme, and we draw Meme like this. Bismi. Bismi. Okay? Now, I extended Seen, like a long Seen, just like the one you see in Qur'an. Bismi. And I want to go ahead, inshallah, write the next word, which is the word Allah. Okay? The word Allah. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to do it here. When I write the word Allah, I have to make sure Alif is really long. Go ahead, guys, copy that, Alif. Next word is Lam. And then you draw another Lam. And then you draw her. Bismillah. Bismillah, okay? Now, I'm going to take my lines, keep on going down. Guys, you don't need to do that. If you are writing on a note on your book, you can just write these words one next to another. Ar-Rahman, ar-rahim. So I have to write the word ar-Rahman now. The word ar-Rahman. Starting with Hamza. Lam. There you go. Next letter is Ra. 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 Next letter is Ha. Ha. And there you go. You stop there, yeah? Now you see Ha is slightly bigger than normal. Normally I would write Ha like this, yeah? But I pushed Ha slightly up there because I need to write Meme. Meme starting with, there you go. You start Meme from here. Meme. Ar-Rahman. So I'm going to come back here, come back up, and this is this part here, we call it neck. And when you draw Noon, you write an Alif, and there you go. Massive, massive Noon. Let me draw it one more time here, there. Oops, oops, oops. Let me draw it one more time. There you go, yeah? And you leave it open from this side. You leave it open. You don't have to close it. Ar-Rahman. This is Ar-Rahman. Let me write the word Ar-Rahim, inshallah. Then I'm going to go ahead and have a look at your homework, show you some of the best calligraphies I got today, and give you some feedback at the same time. I'm going to move this below. Ar-Rahim, Hamza. Lam. Ra. Then we have Ha, Ya, and Meme. Ha, Ya, and then Meme. There you go. I extended Meme as well here. I extended it, made it massive, made it really, really big. Ar-Rahim. Okay? Now, I'm going to stop here. Not going to add any dots. Fatha, Kasra. We're going to come back tomorrow and do that.